I'm debating in my head the best way to go about this. I think probably we need to do it the long way. So we've been asked for a square number, a cube number, and a prime number. So, and it says which of these has a square number, a cube number, and a prime number. It doesn't say about the order. So the square numbers, if I draw a little square there, I'll draw a little cube there, and a P for prime. There might be a symbol for it, but I don't know what it is. So the square numbers are the numbers it will make to make a square. So we've got 1, because that would make a little square, wouldn't it? 2 times 2 is 4. Let me show you, because there we are. It would make a square, wouldn't it? The next one would be, help me out here, 9. Let's try again. Can you see that's 9 would make a square. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. Let's have a finer pen. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. You've got to learn these. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. And 12 times 12 is 144. That would make, so there's the square numbers as enough as you need for the 11 plus. Now for the cube numbers. Now one little cube will make one little cube, won't it? So that's 1. And that's 1 times 1 times 1 makes 1. Now the next one is you need 3 times 3. So here's our, like the bottom of a Rubik's Cube, 3 times 3. But we have to make it 3 deep. There we go. I've missed one out. We'll come back to it. So there would be little cubes on this layer. There would be 9. 3 times 3 is 9. This one, there would be 9 because it's 3 lots of 3. And on this one, it would be 9, 3 lots of 3. So it's 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Should have done another one there. It was 2 times 2. So 2 times 2, there's our 2 times 2, times 2 deep. So 2 times 2 on this top layer, that's 4 cubes, isn't it? And on this bottom layer, there are another 4 cubes, that's 8. 2 times 2 is 4 on the top layer, times 2 layers is 8. We only have to go up to 5 cubed for this. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. Now let's go on to the prime numbers. 1, now a prime number is divisible by itself and 1. So 1 isn't a prime number. Sometimes I get myself a little bit forgetful about that. So be it. I never pretended to be perfect, and neither are you, which is why you're watching this. So the prime numbers are divisible by itself and 1. Now why is that? Why doesn't 1 count? It's because my husband calls me Sarah. My children call me Mum. The taxman calls me Mrs. Beswick. Does that make me 3 people and therefore deserving of 3 cream buns? No, because I'm not 3 people, am I? And in the same way, 1 can't be divisible by itself, 1 and 1, because it's already been done. So the first one, prime number, is 2. Oh, you can't see this P, can you? There's a P up here. I'll put it down here because my photo is on top of it. Yeah, I've rubbed it out now. P for prime. 2, and that's the only even prime number, because thereafter all the even prime numbers can be divisible by 2. And then we've got 3, 5, 7, not 9 because that's divisible by 3, 11, 13, 17, 19, now not 21 because that's 7 and 3, 23, not 25 because 5 will go into that, not 27 because 9 and 3, 29, 31, 37, not 39 because 13 and 3 will go into that, 41, 43, 47, not 51 because 3 times 17 makes 51, 53, I think that will do for the time being, don't you? You're going to have to learn these, because if you don't learn them, it's going to take you far too long to work them out, and the chances are you're not going to be able to. So we want a square number. So that's a square number. That's a cube number. Is that a prime number? No. So it's not A. Let's try this one. Is that a square number, or a prime number, or a cube number? Nope, so it's not B. It doesn't matter about the others. Let's try C. That's a cube number. That's a prime number. 59 is also a prime number. So we don't want that. Let's try this one. A square number. 9 times 9 is 81. A cube number is 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. And 29 is a prime number. So the answer is D.